Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beautiful cold pot mussels with lemongrass and garlic. And the ingredients for that beautiful dish are as follows: mussels, garlic, onion, lemongrass, ginger, basil, spring onions, mussel or fish stock, oil, Thai fish sauce, and coconut milk. So first thing up, oil, garlic, make sure your cold pot is nice and hot before you add everything. It takes a while to warm up, believe it or not. So onions, lemongrass, ginger, just let all those flavors infuse with the oil. The aromas are incredible. Oh, I know I say that a lot, and I just love it. Right, that's coloured slightly now, so we'll get add the mussels. Followed by my basil, fish stock, going to leave that to cover now for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Just want it to boil and reduce slightly. Coconut milk, and let that reduce slightly. Thai fish sauce, not too much. Give that a little stir, and that's it, folks. Finish with spring onions. And there you have it. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Isn't that a delightful little dish? Wonderful. Oh, lemongrass, coconut milk, simply divine. Oh, blue lip mussel, simply amazing. These are from my Thai cookbook, folks, called the Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. It has over 100 recipes in it, which I learned on the road with over 60-70 motorbike trips that I did over a 6-year period when I was working in Thailand. Met some incredible people, wonderful people. Very happy and be able to put my own little touch on some of these amazing authentic Thai recipes. Also some hairy scary stories in the book about my life in Thailand, working as a chef, having to deal with corrupt suppliers, death threats and snakes in the office. It's all there, folks. Goodness, it's all there. Yeah. You want to purchase the book, you can click on the icon at the end of the video, the chef shop icon. Yes, and you'll find that there. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Yeah, and new videos coming every week, folks. So don't forget to subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder. Bon appetit.